Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks of Hyprland. So there's a few tips and tricks that I've found that's quite nice to use, convenient. So let's look at my first trick. As you can see, I have a little scratch pad, but we're going to talk about that later. So the first trick that I want to show you is Yay update. So let's open my other terminal, my other scratch pad. So usually when you want to update want to update your arts system, you have to type in sudo pacman -syu or yay -syu. If you have yay installed, obviously you have to install yay to use it. But once you installed it, you can actually, if you want to update, you can just type in yay. You don't have to type anything else. So I didn't know that because I'm not a hardcore Arch user yet. So this is something I've just recently learned. It's embarrassing, but anyway, just type in yay and there you go. Updated.